Welcome back! Now that you know your way around the screen, it's time to look at the real engine of the Spotlight dashboard, enabling and tuning your filters. We have pre-tuned a few filters to make it easier to explain the true value of the dashboard, but you can easily create identical filter setups yourself. Over on the left-hand side, you'll find all our main data categories: living conditions, property market, crime statistics, environment and risks, broadband coverage, schools and education, and landfill sites and waste management. To keep your workspace clean and clutter-free, you can easily roll these groups up or expand them with a simple click. Many even contain helpful subgroups. For example, expanding living conditions reveals focused categories for deprivation indices, population density, and age demographics. When you open a category, you'll see two simple ways to dial in your criteria. First, we have interactive sliders that let you set an upper and lower numerical limit, perfect for isolating things like the lower 10% up to the top 100% of living conditions. Second, we have button groups, or pill groups, which let you click to enable specific conditions. For example, you can select maximum flood risks from none right through to high, and the dashboard will instantly colour the areas that qualify. Notice that some pill groups, like schools and landfill sites, work slightly differently. Instead of painting the entire map with colour, selecting these pillboxes shows or hides the specific icons that qualify on your screen, allowing you to filter for things like a school's Ofsted inspection rating, educational key stages, or specific landfill types. You are always in complete control of what is active. You can switch any individual filter on or off using its tick box, or enable and disable entire filter groups with a single click to instantly see the difference they make to your neighbourhood. And the dashboard is smart enough to remember the individual settings inside a group, restoring them to what they were when they are enabled again. For even quicker adjustments, look at the narrow vertical divider right between your filters and the map. The eye icon at the bottom lets you instantly hide and reveal all your active filters at once. The slider above it lets you tune the colour density, making the map shading softer or bolder to suit your eye. Finally, let's look at the real power of the dashboard: stacking your filters. You can enable as many different conditions as you like at the exact same time. If you only turn on one filter, the map is simple. Areas are either white or dark. But as you stack several filters together, the dashboard calculates the overlaps automatically. The map colours will deepen, creating a darkening hue depending on how many of your conditions are fulfilled. The very darkest spots on your screen are your ultimate hotspots, the exact locations where all your wish list criteria overlap. And that is all there is to it. You know how to tune the filters, so jump in and start building your custom maps today.